Hello, lovely students. I am Kritika, your English educator, and I'm back with the next part of our chapter Kite from our book Purvi of Grade 6, and our unit is Unit 5, Culture and Tradition. Now, before we actually get into the poem and we start reading the poem, let's do some book activities, so that we'll have more fun when we'll read the poem. So let's start with the activities. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. Now, number one, a picture is being given to you here, plus whatever fill-ups will be given to you, there are hints given to you here. You can use these hints to fill in the blanks. Okay? So, windy, यानी when wind is, मतलब जब wind blow करती है, तो उसको windy weather कह सकते हो आप. Kite, पतंग, flying उड़ना, bird, sky, looking, has ribbon. Ribbon पता है ना आपको क्या होता है? तो ribbon होना, ठीक है? So these are the words that you can use to fill in your blanks. Okay. I can see dash, dash and dash in this picture. So इस picture में आपको क्या क्या दिख रहा है? I can see a girl in this picture. I can see birds in this picture. I can see a kite in this picture. I can also see grass in this picture. So what all I can see? I can see a kite. I can see birds. On what else? I can also see the sky, right? So let's see. I can see kites, birds and sky in the picture. Okay. Moving on. The weather in the picture is, what kind of weather it is? See, her hair is flowing, right? Her hair is flowing. So we can say it is windy. So what kind of weather it is? It is a windy weather. Okay. Next, the kite is dash high in the sky. Kite is doing what in the sky? The kite is flying high in the sky. So I think this fill-up will go with this word, flying. Okay. Moving on to the next one. The child is dash from below. The child is doing what from the below? The child is looking up from the below. नीचे से ऊपर देख रहा है. Okay. Next we have the tail of the kite dash. Tail of the kite पे क्या है बेटा? What is here? The tail of the kite has ribbon. The tail of the kite has ribbon. Okay. So here are our few blanks, and now move on to, now think and answer. List 2 more things that you want to add to the picture. It's completely on to you. What all things you want to add to this picture? Like, I would love to add something which I can eat. Okay? In the same way, you can add whatever you want to add to this picture. I would also love to add sun at the corner and few trees with this picture. See, if suppose you'll have a sun here, yeah? For example, if you'll have a sun here and there are few trees here, right? So this picture will look complete. It will be looking more beautiful. So you can add whatever you want to add to this picture. I want to add these 2 things. Okay. Moving on. If I were the child, I would. अगर आप बच्चे होते, ये वाला बच्चा आप होते, what would you have done? I would like to fly like a kite. If I were a child, I would love to fly like a kite in the sky. I think everyone wants to do that once in their life. If I were the kite, I would, और अगर मैं kite होता, तो मैं क्या करता? I would soar gracefully in the sky. मतलब मैं sky में बहुत ऊपर ऐसे gracefully मस्त उड़ रहा होता. Here we are done with few activities or few questions before we actually start with the poem. We'll start with the poem in the next video. Till then, bye.